One of the biggest areas of concern that a number of the executives and directors that I talk with and several of my clients deal with, and this spans across the board from for-profit organizations, nonprofit organizations, government organizations, educational institutions, and so on, is how to create a cohesive vision and organization in the 21st century. There's several different areas that we first tend to address, and that is making sure that we understand the difference between cohesion and consensus. There's a big difference between the two, but the two are often blurred. Those lines are often mistaken. So, as many of you have probably experienced, when you're sitting down in a board meeting or any type of situation at work, if everybody sits around trying to find consensus, nothing ever happens. So, in order to construct your organization to move forward in the 21st century and to be a very viable, organic type of organization, you have to really be striving more towards cohesion rather than consensus. And oftentimes, people are asking, well, how exactly do you create that? And there's three main areas that I usually advise on. I say, well, there's three things that you've got to accomplish in order to create a cohesive environment. The first one is you have to eliminate fear from the motivation pool. So if you're trying to motivate your employees through fear, this is not going to create cohesion. In fact, it's going to, probably create a false sense of consensus and people moving forward, but your organization is really not evolving into the organization that it needs to be. The other big thing is that you have to foster an environment that allows for more open participation. And this is more so in the decision-making process of the day-to-day, the humdrum that we usually see. I'm not saying that you should consult the janitor for large executive business purchases or mergers and acquisitions, but on the day-to-day operation, we have to create an environment that allows for individual workers to take ownership of what it is they do. And that is the big thing, is having them take a conceptual ownership, having their buy-in, their investment into the organization, because in that type of environment, they see themselves as playing a very vital role. And that's very important for your organization to have cohesion. Everybody has to feel that they play a very important part in that. And then the last thing is you have to create the environment that fosters creativity and imaginative thinking. These things have been shunned in the past so many times, or really been delegated to the art and design departments or several other creative media outlets. But organizations have to really take on a more creative and imaginative approach to the way that they're solving problems and creating new business ventures and meeting the needs of their customers currently and their future customers. So these are the top three areas where organizations have to focus on to move away from consensus and into cohesion, and to create a cohesive vision that allows them to move forward and become a very dynamic and viable organization in the 21st century.